Here's a great exercise in Pilates to work your core, your tricep, your shoulder girdle, strengthen your upper body, and open up your entire side line to stretch out your spine. So join me. I'm Traci with Downward Dog Rising. I'm just getting ready to leave work. So I wanted to give you a good tricep exercise that'll also give you spinal lateral flexion. So we're gonna put the carriage on one spring, a light spring, a blue spring. Try blue, and then you wanna make sure shoulders don't creep up or lift up or anything. Later, as you get stronger, you could go to a red spring, but for now, try a blue one to make sure you're adequately stabilized in your shoulder girdle. So we're gonna kneel on our carriage. So we wanna open up our entire side. So we're just gonna approach the carriage. It's on a light spring, so approach slowly. You're gonna be right next to your shoulder rest. We're focused on elongating the sides of our waistline as we drop our tailbone down. And we want our spine neutral so we're not arching our back. If you wanted to have your toes pull together and make like a little triangle with the knees and the ankles, the feet, you could do it that way, or you could just keep the legs parallel. So see what works for you. We're gonna grab a hold of our small handle, and then you wanna think of elongating the spine. You would do this as part of a routine, so you're not gonna start this exercise being cold. Your body's already gonna be warmed up. Just wanna demonstrate. You're gonna place your palm firmly on the shoulder rest. Make sure you connect from the armpit into your palm. And then you're keeping shoulders down, away from ears. Start to open up the whole entire length of your sideline. Your elbow's gonna point to the sky. And what I want you to do, you're gonna extend your arm to the sky. So you're gonna inhale, and then you exhale. So feel how you're engaging your tricep, and then you're gonna keep your shoulder blades anchoring straight down your back. Exhale, 5. Elbow to sky, 4, control on the way back in. Really open up your chest, your shoulders, 3. Shoulder blades anchor down your back, 2 more. It's so nice to feel those ribs opening apart. And then we're just gonna bring this strap all the way, hang it up, and then just rotate. We're gonna go the other way. Again, I got a hole in my sock, sorry, hopefully you can't see it. Drop your tailbone so you avoid scrunching up your low back area. Your shoulders are squared, your hips are squared. You want to have the elongation of your spine, axial elongation to decompress your spine. You take this arm, you're going to go up, 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 elbow to sky. You're reaching over your head, you lengthen, lengthen, lengthen. Find your palm on your shoulder block. Take a moment and enjoy the entire side of your body opening and lengthening. You inhale, shoulder blades down your back, and then you're going to exhale. Inhale, exhale, reach elbow to side. Maybe you're looking up, stretching your neck, maybe you're looking down. Control each direction, those shoulder blades anchor down sides of back. Exhale, control. Chest is open, those ribs are pulling apart. Keep the length. 4, and 3, and 2. Feel the deep abdominals drawing into the length of your spine. Last one. And then you just slowly let that arm come all the way around. And then we're just gonna hang up that strap. And there you have it. And then maybe do a little tricep press. Elbow to sky. Reach the bottom hand, reach this hand between the 2 shoulder blades, scoop core tight. Stretch that spine. Breathing in, breathing out. And then switch. You're gonna point this elbow to the sky, reach between the 2 shoulder blades. Breathe in, breathe out. So that arm bone just goes deeper down into the shoulder socket. Get a good tricep stretch. And there you have it. Yay! So, shoulder girdle stability with tricep work. Peace. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. See you soon.